Welcome to Isocrats.app channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
Question. Write short note on the following. Unit, rounding off, dimensionless quantities. Answer. So the first topic is unit. Unit is an arbitrarily chosen standard of measurement for any quantity which is accepted internationally. That is termed as the unit of that quantity. The unit in which the fundamental quantities are measured are termed as fundamental or base units. Like if we consider length as the fundamental quantity, so the unit for length is meter. So that is considered as the base unit. And the unit of measurement of all other physical quantities which can be obtained by suitable multiplication or division, like derived quantities, then they are called as derived units. The next topic is rounding off. So in no case should the result have more than significant figures than figures involved in the data used for calculation. So the result of calculation with numbers containing more than one uncertain digit should be rounded off. The rules for rounding off are given below. The first rule is if the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, then the preceding digit should be left unchanged. For example, if the value is 7.32, if we have to round it off, means it should be 7.3. If it is 8.94, then the preceding digit, after 9, the digit is less than 5, so it should be rounded off to 8.9 itself. If the digit should be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. For example, 11.89 is rounded off to 11.9 because the number which should be dropped, that is 9, is greater than 5. So the preceding number should be added with 1. If the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by digits other than 0, then the preceding digit should be raised by 1. For example, 7.352. Here the number which I have dropped is 5, and after 5 there is digit which is a non-zero number. So on being rounded off, it should be the preceding one, that is the 3 should be added with 1 and it will become 7.4. Okay. If the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit will not be changed. For example, 3.45. After this it is 0. So if I need to drop this 5, then I will keep round it off as 3.4 itself. The fifth rule, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. The first case, it should not be changed if it is even. So 4 is an even number, so it should be kept as it is. But if it is odd, then it should be added by 1. Like 3.35, after that it is 0 is there. So when I need to remove 5, I need to add 1 to 3. So 3.4. The third topic, that is dimensionless quantities. So on the basis of dimension quantities are classified into two categories. One is dimensionless variables, another one is dimensionless constants. So the quantities or the physical quantities which have no dimensions but have variables or varying values are termed as dimensionless variables, like specific gravity, strain, refractive index, etc. The values of these variables will be changing. Refractive index of glass is 1.5, means refractive index of water is 1. but it does not have any dimension. The next one, dimensionless constants. So quantities which have a constant value, but it also don't have any dimension. They are termed as dimensionless constant. For example, pi, e, numbers, etc. So the values will be constant. For example, the value for pi is 3.14, but it does not have any dimension. So these terms are termed as dimensionless constants.